Hello and welcome back to another video. As you can read in the title of this video, it's called Escape. So if you are from a CBSE board or if you have read this chapter, it's called The Third Level. It was there in our English book and it was about a man who used to travel to his office by going through the New York Central. This New York Central had only 2 levels, लेकिन वो किसी पता नहीं कैसे लेकिन वो थर्ड लेवल पे पहुंच गया एकदम. And that third level was kind of his escape. So I came up with this idea of escape from that. So for me, I believe like Japanese fiction is kind of an escape. So when I started reading, I was mostly reading mythology book because that was my comfort zone. Like one day I randomly picked up Norwegian Wood and I was 10 to 15 pages into that book and realized कि इसमें हो क्या रहा है. From that point, my reading curve changed entirely. It was from like ये क्या हो रहा है समझ नहीं आ रहा to reading books after books of Murakami's. So in this part, I'll be recommending Murakami's book because I feel like Murakami's book or his work was like a window for this genre for me, for this Japanese literature. So what I have heard and what I have seen from different videos and reviews कि Murakami हर कोई like they don't like. You might like his writing, you may not. लेकिन it was a window for me to experience this and it might be for you. If you are a beginner or if you wanted to start with Japanese fiction, then you can definitely read Murakami. So here I'll be recommending few Murakami's book that I feel like it would be a perfect start. First book that I have is Norwegian Wood. Now you can call it a romance, you can call it a love story, lekin it is very deep, it is emotional and with a lot of maturity in it. I was looking at some reviews of this book and I came across this one and it said Murakami's book should be read with as little context as possible, and बिल्कुल सही बात है. Like you are not here to judge any book, you are here to read or experience that world. Then second we have South of the Border and the West of the Sun. Now in this book there is a boy named Hajime who is an only child of a middle class couple and it is set in post World War II Japan where he was an only child, and being a only child has its own implication when it comes to school or when it comes to friend. People treat you differently, and then one day a girl shifted to his school and she had polio. She was also the only child of her parents and they bonded together very well. This book is about how being a little different and the world around you treats you, how a sudden distance enters your life, how you are moving on, you are building a life for yourself, you are gaining stability, and then suddenly people from past re-enters your life and they don't try but it disturbs the equilibrium that you have set so far. The third book is Men Without Women. Now this book is a collection of short stories and it has men in their longings, in loneliness, men who have loved or who are left behind. Now the stories are not dramatic, it's very quiet, introspective and emotionally distant, but in this book it's not about the events that are happening, it's about something that is left behind. Final book of this recommendation is Kafka on the Shore. Now this is a perfect example of how weird and how incoherent Murakami's writing can be. Like the starting was very well or very good. Like it was very controlled and intentional the way it started. Lekin beech mein jaake my reaction was I was only asking ki ho kya raha hai isme. Like there are certain elements that are genuinely interesting in this book. Lekin I think the mysterious aura that it creates in its atmosphere and its situation, that what makes this book more interesting, but at the end I find it a little difficult to understand. Stories were very distant yet connected. So these were all the books that I have recommended in this video. There will be part 2 of this Escape series because I have read a lot of Japanese fiction these few days and I wanted to share it with you. Plus, if you are starting with Murakami, then please ज़्यादा आगे पीछे मत देखना और डोंट सर्च टू मच ऑनलाइन, बट बिकॉज दीज बुक्स नीडेड टू बी एक्सपीरियंस्ड फ्रेश. मतलब ज़्यादा ओवर एनालिसिस एंड क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग की ज़रूरत नहीं है इसमें. होप यू हैव एंजॉयड दिस वीडियो, होप यू हैव स्टेड टिल हियर, and if you feel like, then do subscribe the channel. If you want more recommendation, or if you have any suggestion or recommendation for me, then do let me know. Thank you for watching till here. Let's meet in the second part of the Escape series.